Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ravi, Professor of Mechanical Engineering. Today's our topic is isometric view of a pentagonal plane with the edge side 30 mm. So let us understand from today's video how with the minimum time you will be able to draw the isometric view of a pentagonal plane. So for that you need to draw pentagon with orthographic projections. Let us consider there are two configurations, that means there you have two orientations, edge may be horizontal or edge may be vertical. So let us, you are going to draw a 30 mm side, let us draw a line of horizontal line of 50 mm side and mark 30 mm on this. Let us call this is AB and measure with the help of protractor 72 degrees angle. 72 is 360 divided by 5. The number of edges are 5 and you are going to get 72 degrees. Measure from outer 72 degrees and mark the length, that is 30 mm. And from here also, from left also, you measure 72 degrees and locate the point. And after locating this with the help of compass, let us take this as center, 30 mm as radius, draw a circular arc, and with the other end you intersect this and complete the pentagon in orthographic projections. This angle 72 degrees and here also it is 72 degrees. And this is the edge is horizontal. In the same way, if you want to draw the edge keeping vertical, let us draw a vertical line of 50 mm side and mark on this AB of 30 mm and measure 72 degrees, mark the length, measure here also 72 degrees, mark the length, and with the help of this as center, radius is equals to 30 mm, draw a circular arc and intersect this, and you got the required orthographic projection of the pentagon with the keeping edge vertical. And after this, because you can observe carefully, you have certain edges are non-isometric. You have isometric as well as non-isometric. For that, what you need to do is, let us inscribe the pentagon in a rectangle. So you have inscribed the given pentagon in a rectangle and give numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first of all, you have to draw the isometric view of the rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4. And for that, let us draw you want to draw in front view. For that, you need to draw a vertical line, because vertical lines remains vertical and horizontal at an angle 30 degrees. Complete this parallelogram in front view, because you know with the help of compass you have to do, you need not measure this length. This is your 1 and 2, the length is known, and 4 you measure the length with the help of compass, mark this and complete the parallelogram in front view. So mark the numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. With the help of compass, 1 as center, 1A as radius, let us locate point A. So this is your point A, and 1 as center, here you can mark A, B, C, D, E. 1 as center, AE as radius, locate the point on this line, vertical line. Similarly, 2 as center, 2B, locate here, this is B, and C, you will locate here. Because in isometric view, usually we use capital letters. Instead of this, you can mark capital letters A and B, here C, of course E. D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. And join all these points in proper sequence, that is AB and it is BC, CD, DE and EA. Now you got the isometric view of the pentagon in front view. This is in front view, you can write down front view. Similarly, you can proceed for top view. When it appears as a top view, as you know, let us draw a horizontal line, and to the right of it, it is at an angle 30 degrees, and to the left of it, it is at an angle 30 degrees. Complete the parallelogram with this is your 1, 2 is here, right, and you can draw a line parallel to the axis, and finally you can locate 4 parallel to your 30-degree line. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. After locating all this with the help of compass, now you have to do with the help of compass only. So, on 1, 2 you have AB. So, this you can locate with the help of compass, and C, of course, D is here, and D is here midpoint. This is point E. Join in proper sequence, you are going to get the isometric view of a pentagonal plane in top view. You can observe carefully, the edges are changing its dimensions randomly in isometric view. Thank you.